Professors don't ban laptops because of Facebook. They ban them because when they look out over their class and see the reflection of the smartest database in the world in their students' eyes, they realize that they are a worthless resource if they have nothing to offer but information alone, because for all their limits, the internet is endless. Students ask not, "What can you teach me?" but instead, "What can you give me that I can't find from an infinite vault?" As part of a generation raised alongside technology evolving as fast as we are, why wouldn't we be allowed to use what we know to answer the real questions we should be asking? Concepts that tie into our education not only on a university scale, but as lifelong learners too. The ones college can't answer for us, but prepares us to answer on our own. I'm excited to be a Google ambassador because it offers the chance for people to seek knowledge together. If given the chance to open up the world to others as an ambassador, I want to be able to help demonstrate how big the world really is, to foster learning outside the classroom in unconventional and constantly developing ways. And just like laptops are for more than just Facebook, Google is more than just a search engine, and I'm excited to show my school what it's worth.